In this video, I will show you how to turn off comments on WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, you first need to head over and open a post that you have created. So for me, I have this post right here. So I just need to click on this edit option. Once I have clicked on that, it will open the edit option for this particular post of mine. It will also open the block editor of my WordPress. So here's my WordPress right here. So what you can do is you can click on this particular things. So you can click on the three dots and you can see in here some shortcuts as well. Now, when you click on the settings, it will open the post as well as the block right here. Now, you just need to click on any part of your post and scroll down right here on your post block. And in here, you can see the option for discussion. So as you can see, the comments has been allowed. So if you want to turn that off, just uncheck this one and then save this progress. Once you have done that, it will turn off the comments on your post. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because I'll reach more people. See you soon.